I've already fucked that up. Hi guys, so you may be thinking, oh, it's the start of the video. For y'all it might be, but I have been working on this video for a couple of hours just testing my techniques for things. And honestly, for a bit there I didn't think we were going to film it. But welcome to me customizing my clothes that I would have thrown out otherwise because they were ugly and I was sick of them, and I cleaned out my closet last week and I don't know.
Recording bell.
Look at how good my eyeliner looks today.
Let me zoom in.
I don't know if it's like good close up. I literally can't see. Is it good? Like the rest of my makeup just looks like, but I'm like, look at my eyeliner. Oh, it looks like I've just got underwear on.
I can't decide if it looks like you're about to bleach something or do something terrible.
Like make drugs or hide a body?
Maybe both.
I'm probably gonna f this DIY up. So here we are again. I am bleaching and tie-dyeing my clothes and some other stuff. Honestly, last time I was in the same position, I was stressed.
How do you feel like it's going so far?
Honestly, not that great. But today I have decided that I am going to embrace the failure that is inevitable. First things first, we are making DIY TikTok half and half bleach jeans. Yeah, I have a ghost in my house. What of it? So, if you guys haven't seen the TikTok, it's meant to be super easy. I just know it's not gonna be that easy. I spent pretty much the whole morning trying out different bleaching methods and like none of my clothes would bleach. We finally got a little test patch to work. She's a little yellow though. I don't even know if you can see that on camera, but that's not what we want. But it's fine, like hopefully it just works out, like some DIY magic. Cause like if it was Lauren, it would work out.
I feel like the only things that are going to successfully bleach today is either your clothing or your hair.
Don't. Okay, so the first thing that the TikTokers do is they tape off half of their jeans. I feel like they do it on the same side as the zip and I've already fucked that up. The first thing that the TikTokers do is they take some tape and they tape their jeans in half. So please stand by. It fully doesn't fucking work. I always feel like when I watch this stuff on TikTok, I'm like, that is not working like that. Everyone always like tapes their jeans down with painter's tape, and painter's tape doesn't stick to y'all. Like, it just doesn't. And so now I'm already stressed and we ripped that tape off. She wasn't working. Don't listen to TikTok, y'all. It's freaking fake. I have some duct tape. I'm gonna just do the exact same thing, tape these down. Please pray for me. I hope this sticks. The way it's meant to be, all the emotion. Not everyone does this step, but I feel like because I'm probably gonna mess it up anyway, I may as well just take this precautionary step. Some people tape a bag over the side that they're not bleaching, so let's do that. I got my bag here. Do the things you do just like... Oh, bitch. Ah, I hate this. Baby, there ain't nobody. I might have to tape up those. Okay, my bag has a hole in it. If bleach went in there, it would ruin everything. And then we can start bleaching, which I'm freaking so excited about. The video has only just begun, really. I haven't even done anything, and I feel like I've been on such a journey today. This is how many holes I created in the sheet while I was doing that. So I'm obviously not driving. One of the pieces of tape that you put down there is upright and it keeps sticking to my foot. I just feel like a lot could go wrong here, so I'm gonna tie my hair up. I think I should just accept that this may fail so I don't feel so stressed. The only sponge that I could find to like rub it into my jeans is like literally disgusting.
Oh, that's so gross.
But my gloves kind of match my outfit. We got two different types of bleach. We have this bleach with lemon with a red lid and this bleach with lemon with a white lid. I think that I am just gonna coat my jeans in bleach, kind of like scrub it in a little bit, and then cross my fingers and hope this works out. I hope I don't get it on my like sweater. The sleeves are kind of big. I'm so stressed. We need to crack a window. It's so bleachy in here. Do you want the same? I literally can't open the child lock. Do you want me back? I think I just got it under the tape. I got high hopes. I don't know if I'm heavy breathing because I'm like nervous of doing this or if I can't actually breathe because of the bleach. I'm stressed. I want to get it on anything. don't want to get it in the sun. Oh, shoot. It's kind of yellow. Cricket wax. Okay, so these colors are the ones from my last week's closet clean out video. I was honestly just gonna get rid of these unless I could somehow make them cuter. Bleach doesn't really work on old fabric, so if it doesn't look cute, it really just doesn't matter. I think Kane wants to do one, don't you?
Yeah, I kind of want to race you.
Which one do you want to do? I might just do this sweatshirt first, and then Kane and I are gonna race and see who can make the cutest t-shirt. You just need some rubber bands. I am telling you guys how to do this. I really don't know if this is gonna work out. Ooh. Ooh.
I have played that. Why am I touching my eyeball with your pink eye? I have played back that clip, honestly, about 20 times while editing this, and I do not understand how the F Sarah made that noise, or if it was a rubber band. I'm gonna play it again.
Ooh. Rude. I was actually testing out all of the different bleach dilutions. Dilutions? I was just testing out a bunch of different bleaching methods, like mixing it with water, and I tested it on the bottom of this sweater, but the best one was this little patch just here, which was straight up bleach, not mixed with water, so that's what we're gonna do. Hopefully it doesn't make this disintegrate. Okay, so I finished up my sweatshirt. We just went for the most basic of all basic scrunchy things, because honestly, other techniques don't really work out for me. Kane and I are gonna race. Kane's probably gonna win, and his shirt's probably gonna have a better pattern because he's actually really good at DIYs.
I feel like this is gonna look way better though. I feel like your top's gonna look cooler.
You think so?
Yeah.
We got some concentration happening over here.
Oh my goodness, you're nearly done, pal.
Yeah. Mine's gonna look freaking great, sweetie. I feel like when we say sweetie in videos, people don't realize that we're mocking Kris Jenner when she said, "You're doing amazing, sweetie." I'm done! No!
I need to start completely again.
Wow, little perfectionist Kate over here. This is how mine turned out, everybody. Pretty amazing. Let's have a little close-up shot. Wow. All right, I think we're gonna have to cut.
Why is it so hard?
Okay, so my plan is that I'm just gonna throw these into this bucket covered in bleach as quickly as I possibly can so I can open the doors back up, stop filming this video, and be able to breathe without feeling like I'm gonna die. That's the plan. Let's go. These aren't even changing at all, which kind of makes me feel like they're not gonna bleach, but like fingers crossed. They're not doing anything though. Okay, so I know that this sweatshirt bleaches, but I think it's just gonna take some time. So we're probably gonna do a cute little time lapse in a second. You can for real see this changing already. The only thing with like bleach dyeing is it literally bleaches the lint too and makes it look so much worse. I just realized that all of my neighbors are gonna know that I've been spending way too much time on TikTok when they look out and see all this bleach dyed crap on my balcony. We all knew it was coming. I am doing some tie-dye. I'm too excited. So I decided that I'm probably gonna crop this. It's actually like a creamy kind of material, which I think will be like perfect to tie-dye on top of. I think it'll give it a really nice color. Hopefully. Again, I actually don't know what I'm doing, and last time I did this, I was stressed. So maybe it won't work out. So I have some blue dye. This is actually like half strength, so I only put in like half of the powder that was required. I'm not just saying this because I suck at tie-dye, but one of my favorite kind of tie-dyes is literally just when you scrunch it up and it's all kind of messy. The swirls, what is
Spiral?
it? Spiral is just not really my vibe, so we're gonna scrunch. Plus it's literally way easier and so much less stress, because if you screw it up, it just looks like you did it on purpose. The hardest part for me is literally putting it together like this, and I didn't do any kind of technique. This is the most basic technique that you can do, and it's always the hardest part for me. Normally I would leave this for like 4 hours, but I think I'm gonna leave it for like 1 to 2 hours so she's a little bit more like pastel, hopefully. I'm gonna go wrap it in a plastic bag. Is it recording?
Yeah.
I have decided that I love this t-shirt, but like it fits me so like tight the whole way down. So the only way to release that restriction is by cropping it and distressing it. I want to bleach this with my whole heart, but I feel like I've done enough bleaching for this video and probably for the rest of my life. So we're just gonna distress it. Do I wing it or do I measure it to a shirt that I like the crop of? Also, Also, if you guys can't tell, it is the next day. Normally when I'm doing a DIY like this, I would go get a cropped t-shirt from my cupboard, but I'm really just reaching an all new level of lazy due to staying at home so much. So we're just gonna, this looks bad. It's fine. This line is 100 not straight. I really feel like if I was watching a DIY video where someone was cutting something with scissors that suck this bad, I'd be yelling at the screen being like, yo, get some new freaking scissors or don't film the video. But I'm here to tell you that you can do anything with any supplies that you have.
So inspirational.
See, good thing I didn't do this perfect and measure it because it wasn't gonna be perfect anyway because these scissors suck. Look, we could have used a better technique. Hopefully that's cropped enough. Oh, sweetie, she's a little lopsided. Look at that. Look, if you guys have an ugly shirt, step 1, crop it. Because it's gonna make it way freaking better. You know when you should stop, but you don't stop, and then you wish you could go back and like undo what you just did? Same, y'all. I really wish I could go back too, but like I can't, so it's fine. So I'm basically going to go in. I have some smaller scissors now, so let's hope that these little small ones are a little better than the last ones. I have some store-bought distressed t-shirts, and they all have like little cuts around the neck, so we gotta do that.
Hi guys!
Welcome back to my haul of clothes that I already owned, but like they kind of new now. Is this little bleach sweatshirt action. She turned out pretty cute. I didn't want her to go super orange. The only thing is I feel like I need to somehow get the lint off of it because all of the lint is bleached. It looks like it's got white dots all over it. Maybe I should take care of my clothes a little better. In the comments, you guys should let me know if you feel like I made these clothes better or worse. I feel like I made this better. Like the other one was just so boring that I never wore it. So this one, she's kind of cute. She's not perfect, but I think we improved her. The jeans, while I was doing them, I was like confused. Backstory, I washed these 2 times because they were like yellow and brown. And I was like kind of confused, but this is the final result of my TikToker jeans. They turned out so good. Here it like went underneath the tape, but you know, it's not about perfection. You can't really see it. I'm a freaking TikToker. The pink orangey kind of cropped t-shirt, I actually ended up putting pink dye on it because it just got ugly, so I was like, surely I can't make it uglier. And then I looked in the bag like 7 hours later and the bleach had finally started working, so I ended up with this. I don't know if I made it better or if I made it worse.
I genuinely think you made it better, pal. Like actually close up of this, that looks sick.
It looks a little like acid wash-y.
Yeah, I love it.
Also though, I left this on for so long that I have small bleach holes all over the shirt. But it's fine, it just adds to the like distressed vibes, just like me right now.
This one's my least favorite one, if I'm being honest.
Yeah, I feel like this one is kind of boring and anticlimactic. Should I crop it? Be right back. It's a quick intermission to crop. Hopefully this isn't too short. Perfect! Let's just pretend nothing happened. Okay, we're back, sorry. This shirt turned out super cute.
It actually did.
She's cute. Hopefully it's not too, no, it's fine. Before it looked like it was doing some like camouflage kind of thing. She still got that vibe, but like it's cuter now. We did amazing. We also have this little cropped t-shirt action. Oh my god, I'm gonna have try on like overlays over this, like a little hole. Love that. We got this one, which she's just cropped. It's not even that interesting really, but it definitely improved it. Like before it was like, I never wore this shirt because it was just like tight. You know that you only wear sweatpants and oversized t-shirts when this t-shirt was still oversized, but I call it tight. My blue tie-dye sweater didn't exactly turn out how I expected, but everyone else still likes it. I'm undecided, y'all.
Wow, it actually has the nicest blue color, seriously.
I don't know if I improved it. Like maybe it would have just looked cuter if it was cream and I cropped it, but like it was fun. It was an experience. When I pulled this out of the wash last night, I was like, oh.
It actually has like a nice subtle tie-dye, not intense, you know?
Did I crop it too much? We can wear a bralette, it's fine. That was me DIYing my clothes. I hope you guys liked it.